What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. We're here with the Fisker Ocean. We are trying to get started to take off. So sitting in the seat here, take off the park brake, shift it. All right, so we're at a whole day of deep sleep. Let's see if that was enough to wake this thing up. Oh, there we go. Here we are, we're moving again. So not quite sure what the issue is, but it wouldn't move. It's been in deep sleep for hours. I've left it here, probably been well over 12 hours. And now we are back in business again. All right, so it is the next day and the Fisker Ocean is up and running again. There is no explanation as to what occurred other than the fact that when it went into the quote-unquote deep sleep, the problem rectified itself. So if you ever have this issue and you don't know what to do, just let the car go into a deep sleep, let it sit for a little bit, and hopefully it'll come around. Hope you learned something from this video to solve your unmovable Fisker Ocean. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.